Imagine the following scenario. You are in a haunted house with a ghost running after you and a toaster in the kitchen. What do you think is the most imminent threat? The answer will be surprising. When it comes to food, few things are more universal than bread. Wholemeal, white, with seeds, humans consume billions of loaves every year from all over the world. But how are you going to toast the bread? As a professional cook, I love using a pan with some butter on the toast. This process takes a little bit more time and requires more attention, which is why people usually use a toaster to make toast. And I understand. Bread can be delicious cooked in many different ways. However, it is not so delicious for your environment when you are using a toaster. Turns out the cute little toaster has a little secret. Its air pollution is surprisingly large. How large? Imagine you are in a busy intersection. The cars are making noise and the air is so disgusting. It's making you cough and it's making you feel unhealthy just standing there. Now, what if I were to tell you that a toaster can beat that? How to believe? Well, a study from the University of Texas at Austin discovered that toasters release more air pollution into your home than standing at a busy intersection. The moment you turn on your toaster, it starts sending toxic particles into the air. And if you like your toast extra crispy, I have bad news. Burnt toast is the most harmful for you. Of course, it's not just toasters, candles, air purifiers, sprays, and cleaning products can also contribute to indoor air pollution, but the toaster is the worst offender. So, what are we going to do about it? Toasted bread is not going anywhere, but we can understand the hidden cost of it. This is the first step to making choices that are better for both your health and the planet. Maybe a grill or a pan or an oven would be a better choice. But if you insist on using your cute little toaster, then not burning the bread is essential. And if you still do it, you need to open your windows immediately.